Going on to the wrap-up of Chapter 3 with our vocabulary check. Let's see how we do. There's 16 of them now. So, give it a shot. Of course, you can pause it or look at it in your textbook online to see how you would do. An ordered pair is a what of an equation in two variables if replacing the variables by the coordinates of the ordered pairs results in a true statement? Well, I'm going to skip that one. Don't know what that one is right now. Okay, the vertical number line is the rectangular coordinate system is called the vertical would be the y-axis. So that one's 2. The what equation can be written this way. This is standard form. And what is a point of the graph where the graphs cross the x-axis? That's the x-intercept. So this is number 4. This form is called the standard form. Well, I'm going to have to pause to look at these a little bit. So for 3, we're going to put linear here. A linear equation can be written in this form. Okay. And then this one up here, this is standard form. So that's number 5. All right, sometimes you have to move these around. The what is a point of the graph where the graph crosses the y-axis. All right, now that's the y-intercept. So this is going to be 6. The equation, this is written in slope-intercept. All right, this is 7 here. This is our point slope right here. To find the x-intercept of a graph, let, and again, if we use our little t-chart, now the x-intercept is this one. This is going to be a comma 0, and this is the y-intercept 0 comma b. Here we're going to let the y equals 0. So this is number 9. The horizontal number line in a rectangular coordinate system is called the horizontal one. That would be the x-axis. So this is number 10. To find the y-intercept of the graph, we let x equal 0. So that's number 11 here. The what of a line measures the steepness of the line's slope, which is number 12. A set of ordered pairs that assigns an x assigns to each x value exactly one y value is called a function. I think that's function anyway. Let's see. That's number 13. The set of all x coordinates of a relation, well, that's domain. That's 14. The set of all y coordinates is a range. There it is, 15. And a set of ordered pairs is called a relation. All right, that's good. Yeah, so the only one I'm left with is number 1. An ordered pair is a solution of an equation of two variables if replaced. Yeah, that makes sense. So, again, it was kind of wordy and too many words to pick from. All right, so this is vocabulary of chapter 3. And then we go to the highlights. And again, the rectangular coordinate plane, two number lines, the origin, plotting a graph. They're ordered pairs. Always plot the x first, then the y. Little summaries here. Okay, there's the word solution. If we replace the letters with our x, y values, and it makes a true statement. This is standard form. These are some of the major forms. Standard form. This is a vertical line. This is the horizontal line. This is slope-intercept. And we have the y-intercept here, the x-intercept, and that special T-chart, which is one of my favorites, and hopefully might be one of yours too. And if it's in standard form, it's really easy to use that x and y-intercept T-chart. And there's your x-intercept, your y-intercept. If they're asking on MATLAB for you to do it this way, this is the way you have to do it. And these were special. Here there is no y-intercept, only an x. Here there's no x, only a y. There's your slope formula, formula 3. If the slopes are the same but different y-intercepts, they're parallel. If the slope one is the negative reciprocal of the other, you get lines or slopes that are perpendicular. And then there's the slope-intercept form, formula 2, formula 4, and we have function, relation, domain, range. Function, the x value is only used once in a series of relations. We spoke of the vertical line test. We talked about function notation and the replacing of the x value into the machine, the formula, to see what the output would be. And then there are plenty of questions, but again, your practice and quiz bees is what you need to prepare for your test, and good luck on it.